I shall get to stock picks. Alex, what takes your fancy this evening?
I mean, look, we see so much negativity in South African markets at the moment, politically, economically, and so forth. But it does create, I think, a few opportunities. And I think there's one small cap that is going under the radar, and that's Mustek. I think the stock is down about 21% over the last 6 months, which I think is a bit harsh. The last set of results was solid. The guidance they gave was for going to have a tough year, and I think we are seeing evidence of that. But I think the key that Mustek is focusing on is on releasing working capital, which means they're going to have a lot of influx of cash. Now, that's important because with that cash, they're going to reduce their debt, which obviously will bring interest cost savings, but it will also allow them to perhaps do share buybacks again, with the balance sheet is in a stronger place.
Okay.
And I think share buybacks at half book value, historically, that's always been an excellent time to buy Mustek. So yeah. I think picking it up below 13 Rand, I think is a real steal. And we'll get an update probably by February next year because they'll have the interim results by December.
Okay, let's hope for a better 2024. And Jonathan, very quickly, your stock pick this evening?
All right. Stock pick's going to be Microsoft, 2.7 trillion market cap. That's 51 trillion Rand. Recently reported first quarter earnings per share growth of 27%. Revenue grew by 13%. So this is illustrating efficiency gains being unlocked, where operating expenses were up only 1% and headcount down 7%. The big thing with Microsoft is that their Azure business and cloud business is really growing at a strong rate by turnover of 29%. So that's skewing the growth in the business on the upside. And Office 365 is also showing very strong double-digit growth. And they're growing in the right places. And this is having a positive impact on their margins. It seems like every business, big or small, is kind of into the whole ecosystem of Microsoft. So it's just this huge animal. It's going to keep on growing, and that's my pick.
Yeah, and we had a chart up there, I think it was the 30-year chart, actually, of Microsoft. It's just exponential. So, Jonathan, Alex, thank you very much for joining us this evening. Nice to chat to you both, and thanks for your participation throughout the year. Jonathan Fisher is from PSG Wealth Sandton Grayston. Alex Duys is from Umthombo Wealth, and coming up next, The Close. Stay with us.